Finding effective skincare products that align with sustainable practices can be challenging. Whether it's reducing environmental impact or ensuring your beauty routine is cruelty-free, eco-friendly skincare has never been more important. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best eco-friendly skincare products, diving deep into their features, benefits, and why they're worth adding to your skincare arsenal. Let's embrace radiant skin while making choices that are kind to the planet. Kicking off our list at number 1, Biossance Squalane Plus Vitamin C. The Biossance Squalane Plus Vitamin C Rose Oil is a luxurious facial oil formulated to brighten skin and improve firmness. It combines plant-derived squalane with a stabilized form of vitamin C, offering hydration and radiance without harming the environment. Biossance's dedication to sustainability and clean beauty makes this product a standout choice. Key features: this oil boasts key ingredients like squalane from sustainable sugarcane, vitamin C for even skin tone, and damask rose extract for hydration. It's packaged in recyclable materials and is entirely vegan and cruelty-free. It's also free from synthetic fragrances, parabens, and phthalates, making it a safe choice for most skin types. Benefits and usage: the oil visibly brightens skin, enhances elasticity, and locks in moisture. A few drops can be applied after cleansing and toning, either alone or layered under moisturizer. Its lightweight texture makes it versatile for day or night use. Usability: this product absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a greasy residue. Its compatibility with various skin types, from dry to combination, ensures it fits seamlessly into any routine. Durability: the 30 ml bottle lasts several months as only a few drops are needed per application. Its high concentration of active ingredients ensures long-term results, making it worth the investment. In the second spot, we have Tata Harper Resurfacing Mask. The Tata Harper Resurfacing Mask is a cult favorite exfoliating treatment designed to deliver an instant glow. Packed with natural and organic ingredients, this mask is an eco-conscious solution for dull or uneven skin. Tata Harper's commitment to non-toxic, sustainable beauty is evident in this product. Key features: this mask is crafted with pomegranate enzymes, willow bark extract, and pink clay, all sourced sustainably. It's free from artificial preservatives and fragrances, ensuring a completely clean formulation. The packaging is eco-friendly, made from recyclable glass. Benefits and usage: it provides gentle exfoliation, removing dead skin cells and revealing a brighter, smoother complexion. Apply a thin layer over clean skin and leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing. Regular use can improve skin texture and clarity. Usability: the mask has a smooth, gel-like texture that spreads easily and washes off without residue. Suitable for all skin types, it's particularly beneficial for those with dull or uneven skin looking for a natural glow. Durability: with weekly use, the 30 ml jar lasts for several months. The formula's potency ensures you'll see visible results with consistent application, making it an excellent addition to an eco-friendly skincare routine. Coming in at number 3 is the Lush Fresh Face Masks. Lush Fresh Face Masks are handmade, natural skincare treats that cater to a variety of skin concerns. These masks are crafted using fresh, ethically sourced ingredients, ensuring minimal environmental impact while delivering powerful skincare benefits. Key features: each mask features ingredients like fresh fruits, vegetables, and essential oils. Popular options include Mask of Magnamintty for detoxifying and Cupcake for oily skin. Lush's commitment to reducing waste is evident in their recyclable packaging and return program. Benefits and usage: depending on the mask, benefits range from deep cleansing to hydration and calming irritated skin. Apply a generous layer to clean skin, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, and rinse with warm water. Their natural formulations ensure gentle care for your skin. Usability: the mask's creamy textures make them easy to apply and wash off. They're particularly suitable for pampering sessions or targeted skin treatments. However, they're best stored in the refrigerator due to their fresh ingredients. Durability: since these masks are made fresh and have a short shelf life, they're ideal for immediate use within a few weeks of purchase. Their ethical sourcing and packaging practices make them a sustainable choice. Taking our fourth spot is Kora Organics Noni Glow Serum. The Kora Organics Noni Glow Face Oil is a certified organic serum designed to nourish, hydrate, and brighten your skin. Developed by supermodel Miranda Kerr, this product combines luxurious ingredients with eco-conscious practices. Key features: it's infused with noni fruit extract, rosehip oil, and sea buckthorn oil, all sourced from organic and sustainable farms. The formula is vegan, cruelty-free, and packaged in recyclable materials, aligning perfectly with eco-friendly values. Benefits and usage: this oil delivers intense hydration, reduces the appearance of fine lines, and leaves skin with a radiant glow. Apply 2 to 3 drops to your face and neck after cleansing. It can also be used as a base for makeup, ensuring skin stays hydrated throughout the day. Usability: lightweight and fast absorbing, it suits all skin types, including sensitive skin. Its natural fragrance and silky texture enhance the overall application experience. Durability: a single 30 ml bottle lasts for months, even with daily use. The high concentration of active ingredients ensures you get maximum benefits with minimal product usage, making it an eco-friendly investment. And finally, at number 5, we have OSEA Seaweed Bath. The OSEA Seaweed Bath is a luxurious at-home spa treatment that harnesses the power of sustainably harvested seaweed. This eco-friendly bath soak detoxifies, hydrates, and rejuvenates, offering a unique experience for both your skin and senses. Key features: it contains organic bladderwrack seaweed, rich in minerals and antioxidants, hand-harvested from pristine waters. OSEA's commitment to sustainability is reflected in their biodegradable packaging and ethical sourcing practices. Benefits and usage: this bath treatment soothes muscles, detoxifies skin, and restores hydration. Simply steep the seaweed bag in warm bathwater and soak for 20 minutes. The natural oils released during the soak nourish and soften the skin. Usability: the seaweed bag is easy to use and mess-free. Suitable for all skin types, it's particularly effective for stressed or dry skin needing a hydration boost. Durability: each pack contains multiple seaweed bags, making it a long-lasting addition to your skincare routine. Its eco-friendly packaging and sourcing practices make it an excellent choice for sustainability-conscious consumers. Switching to eco-friendly skincare not only enhances your beauty routine but also helps protect our planet. These 5 products offer effective results without compromising on sustainability. Whether you're looking for hydration, exfoliation, or relaxation, there's an option here for everyone. Make the switch today and enjoy glowing skin with a clean conscience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on your favorite eco-friendly skincare products below.